What's up, people? Welcome to Riding on Ruby. Hello for the first time, and welcome back for everyone that's been here before. Just in case this is your first time, this is my 2019 Harley Davidson Street XG 500. And I noticed that a lot of times when I'm doing some videos, you could hear the muffler. It sounds pretty good, but it doesn't sound anywhere near what I'm hearing when I'm riding. So today I thought I would hook up this little extra Boya lavalier mic and have it hanging off near the muffler, so maybe it'll pick up the true sound. And this is the Firebrand muffler. It's a slip-on, 4 inches at the end. It has one screw, and you can pull out the baffles, but this is loud enough. You don't need to pull those baffles out. And it's pretty easy to switch. There's a little clamp over here that hooks up near the cap. And then there's a little hose clamp that holds on the heat shield right here. And then this is basically the muffler right here. $218 from Walmart.com. And they come for just about any bike. You know, they got the double ones, the single one like this for the 2-in-1 exhaust. So I want to see what it might do. I'm going to do a little ride down to the park and back, and just see if I could capture some of that raw sound. And then, you know, let you people know like what it really sounds like. So I'm going to have to unplug the mic that's in the helmet and try to plug the mic in that's going to be in the back, and then see what's going to happen with that. So I'm going to stop the video and then restart it up again with the other mic on there, and then hopefully maybe I could do some type of a voiceover to explain maybe some of the things or something. You know, go kind of easy. You could hear it, maybe get on it a little bit, hear the difference. So let's go for a little ride and see what's gonna happen, and I'll talk to you soon. I'm switching the mics right now. Alright, people. I just switched mics. Oh, excuse me. And hope that came out. I was a little interested in ride. Had a couple other guys in front of us. Passed a couple other bikes. Just a really beautiful day. Now we'll head back to the house and start figuring out the plans for the day. So I'm hoping that muffler sound came out. I'm not even sure if this mic's gonna be working, because it has a switch for off and an on, and you're supposed to have it off if you're using like cell phones and stuff like that, and then you turn it on if you're using like a camera or like stuff like that. But I think the GoPro already powers it up, so we're gonna find out what happens. If it didn't work, oh well. Then I guess I'll be trashing the video and we'll be doing it all over again. Alright, let's go for a little ride back home. Some soccer going on. This bike's very, very nimble. Oh, I forgot I had the mic plugged in. I was just riding with the shield off. Sorry about that. Okay. So if that other mic worked, then you'll be able to hear the difference going down and now coming back with a mic and a helmet. But I mean, this thing's like monstrous loud when I'm on it. But like I said in the videos, it sounds a little loud, but not much. Nothing compared to what I'm hearing right now. So I thought it would be interesting to actually hear what it sounds like, rather than to do just like a drive-by with the camera sitting somewhere. It's a beautiful day. Just can't beat this. Oh, summer, bring it on. 4 more days of work and then I get my summer vacation. Yahoo! never fix this light. That deceleration sound. It's putting around in 4th gear. Too nice to be not riding. Haven't done any fishing this year yet. Probably not gonna either. People. Alright. There's got to be a better way to do that. It's really sketchy, you know. I mean, it's not a dirt bike, but at least it's nimble enough and it can handle it. Alright, people. Well, hopefully it get some cool raw muffler sounds out there. And, you know, hey, as usual, be safe, peace out, and like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can get the next video. Stay up and keep the wind in your hair, people.